This is James with Alabama Construction Pros, and today we're going to be talking about the cost to remodel or build a bathroom. So currently I'm standing in a bathroom, a master bathroom that we are currently working on in Lake Martin. You could probably hear hammers and saws and different things going on in the background. So yeah, I'm currently standing in an unfinished master bathroom. But let's just kind of go over the price of a bathroom remodel or just to build a bathroom. Typically, if you're talking about a full gut job, kind of like where we are today, and restoring it, typically a project like that probably costs you anywhere between $20,000 to $30,000. And so that depends on specific what materials you're going to use, and of course if you're going to gut it all the way to the studs. Now if you're going to build on a bathroom, that's a completely different price. That's more so like an addition. If you're doing a master bathroom, generally a master bathroom can be 100 square feet. Your 8x5 bathroom will be somewhere about 40 square feet. So if you're going to be doing a master bathroom 100 square feet or more, it just depends on the selections and different things that you pick. Also, that would be the same in a hall bathroom as well. And we'll get a little more into details of what makes that price so expensive. Typically for a master bathroom with your shower and maybe a tub, you can see we have a shower over here. It's going to be a full shower with glass. But typically if you have a shower and a tub in a master bathroom, you're anywhere starting at about $45,000, and they can go up to about $75,000, $80,000. It just depends on how elaborate you want your bathroom to be. If you're going to go with a quartz, if you're going to go with the granite for your countertops, if you want to go with porcelain, the types of faucets that you choose, also the type of towel that you choose. In a 1,000 square foot bathroom, if you go with a $3 a square foot price, of course that's going to be a lot less than if you go with a $10 square foot price for tile. So also with your countertops, if you go with a $50 square foot for your countertops or your surfacing versus a $150 or $100 a square foot countertops. Also, you have to think about the structurals in your bathroom. Structurals are going to be your HVAC, your plumbing, your electrical, and also your framing. If you're taking out walls, relocating toilets or any plumbing, if you're going to be having to open up a slab and relocate drains, be it a hall bathroom or a master bathroom, that's going to drive up your price. But typically, like I said, the hall bathroom is about $20,000 to about $30,000 if you're going to fully gut it. Sometimes if you're not going to gut it, you can get it for about $17,000 to about $25,000. But for a master bathroom, if you're going to fully gut it, you're going to be at least a minimum of about $45,000, and they can go all the way up to $75,000 or $80,000 depending on how elaborate you want your bathroom to be.